Setting clear and specific goals can help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards achieving them. Here are some tips for setting clear and specific goals. Identify what you want to achieve. Start by thinking about what you want to accomplish and be specific about what you want to achieve. Make your goals measurable. Your goals should be quantifiable so you can measure your progress and know when you've achieved them. Set a deadline. Having a deadline will give you a sense of urgency and help you stay on track. Make your goals realistic and achievable. Your goals should be challenging but also achievable. Write your goals down. Writing your goals down will make them more concrete and help you stay focused on them. Review and revise your goals. Review your goals regularly and make adjustments as needed. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Break down your larger goals into smaller, actionable tasks that you can work on consistently. Share your goals with others. Sharing your goals with others can help you stay accountable and motivated. By following these tips, you can set clear and specific goals that will help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards achieving them. Life can be busy and overwhelming, but let's not forget about taking care of ourselves. It's time to prioritize self-care and our well-being every day. These printable checklists are here to help. With 5 pages of self-care tasks, progress tracking, goal setting, gratitude expression and positive affirmations, you'll be on your way to feeling your best every day. Let's make self-care a priority and feel amazing. If you like the sound of it, feel free to click the link below and buy it today for just $5. And you'll be able to download these 5 pages PDF files immediately. And if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe us to make sure you won't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.